Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 4.1% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The euro-dollar pair gained 0.4% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.3% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
TSMC, the dominant producer of advanced chips used in artificial intelligence applications, is expected to report a 5% rise in first quarter profit thanks to strong demand. The world's largest contract chip maker has benefited from a surge towards AI that has helped it push TSMC's stock to a record high. European shares were flat, hovering near more than a month's low, with quarterly earnings reports from legacy names like ASML, LVMH and Adidas in the spotlight, and as investors kept an eye on developments in the Middle East. The much-anticipated approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in Hong Kong earlier this week represents a significant industry milestone for some experts. However, others warn that greater market forces, such as persistent inflation and geopolitical risk, could overshadow the bullish event.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT, Australia's employment change at 1:30 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting will be released at 7:00 GMT. Japan's tertiary industry index at 4:30 GMT, Australia's unemployment rate at 1:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.